Hi guys, hope you're all well and welcome back to another video. Today's video is about gaming on iPhone 12 Pro. I'll be playing Modern Ops and Call of Duty Mobile. I'll be giving my overall score at the end of the video, so stay tuned. So let's get started. So let's go ahead and open Modern Ops. As you can see, I've already got it signed in. I've got it signed in using Gaming Center. So you can use your Apple account or guest account if needed to do so, if you want. Okay, so let's click on Battle. I've had some issues getting Call of Duty to work. So we're gonna try Guns of Boom and see how we get on. Okay, so let's just complete the training. I've never played Guns of Boom before, so this will be a first. So we'll see how we get on. We'll go with male. Patrol. The layout of the actual game looks nice. Menu, profile, info, achievements, recent games. Okay, let's get stuck in.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
So far, I've not had any glitches or any interruptions. It's pretty smooth. It loaded up quite fast as well. Like I said, I've never played this game before, so this is going to be a first.
Awesome.
Okay.
Nice.
It's nowhere near Call of Duty, but it's alright. It's okay.
Elimination streak.
Maybe the loading time could be quicker.
Incredible.
Okay, we're getting the hang of it now.
Domination.
Nearly had him there, nearly had him.
Bang.
Could be a bit more quicker. Maybe the run hold button like we have on Call of Duty.
Domination.
Maybe could have that on here. That'll help quite a lot.
Bang. Revenge. Nice. Double elimination. Bang. Destroy. Domination. Nice. Elimination streak.
Okay. So far so good. Could have been a bit more quicker and smoother, but overall I'll give it 8 out of 10. It's got to be a bit more smoother and quicker to get it to be 10 out of 10. Maybe there's better game consoles out there that'll be quicker and a bit more smoother. But for the iPhone 12, I think it's done pretty good. It's been a shame that we couldn't try Call of Duty, or we can actually have a look and see if it's downloaded or not. Yeah, I think we're still downloading on that. It's going to take a bit of time. So overall, yeah, 8 out of 10, pretty good. And on my next video I'll be reviewing the iPhone 12 and whether if it's worth buying in 2023. And thanks for watching everyone. I appreciate it if you could like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.